2019 Topps Heritage High baseball for Austin. Thanks, Austin. Number 3, that's up here. You were asking about luminance. They're 220. They just came out. I have a handful of them back here. And I got Chronicles Draft back in, which I think you just saw me rip from in. They're 2 1/4. I love this Heritage High. That's why I don't really care if I even sell it. I think I have some 18 and some 19. I'm just sitting on it. It's one of my favorites, and I sent a lot in to get graded on this stuff also. I like the rookie class in 18 and 19. All right, sir. Good luck. I'll check for variation. If I don't notice it, I'll check at the end if I can. Oh yeah, that's easy to check, so I'll check it at the end. Unless I notice it. Scratch off Marte. Is it your favorite also? Nice. Yeah, that's why I just picked up. I might grab more. I picked up a case 18 recently, and the price is not really skyrocketing, so I might grab some more of it and do the skyrocketing myself, because if I just hoard it all, then it has to go up. Just sucks that they aren't playing a lot of these guys. It's hard to see what's going to happen. Eloy Jimenez on the rookie. Everybody's speculating. I'll tell you what, a different guy on my eBay sells every day. It seemed like yesterday was a Vlad Guerrero kind of day. He was selling for me yesterday some random stuff that's been on there for a while, and they both sold. There's an Alonso. Pete Alonso on the rookie base. Before that, it was Moncada. But it seems like, yeah, a couple guys people were just speculating on. Senzel on the rookie performers. He's definitely one that is pretty affordable in comparison to some of these other guys that are already high. Curtis Granderson on the black. Curtis Granderson on the black. Justin Hire, nice. Yeah, he's cheap too. Bregman. There it is, Senzel right there. These things are short print, so they sell pretty good. Hey guys. I gotta move my window. I can't see. Is Tatis way up? I haven't really noticed. Not surprised though. He's pretty good. Chrome, Justice Sheffield on the Chrome Refractor, number 2, 569. I just sold Vlad PSA 10 out of this yesterday, only like $30. I listed another one because I have about 7 of them. There is Tatis. Tatis. Bregman is your jersey. There's a Vlad rookie behind it. There is the relic, Alex Bregman, Clubhouse Collection bat. And behind that is Vlad Guerrero Jr. I'll tell you, when I first opened, I think I opened a case of this myself. Sent a ton in to get graded. And the one thing I noticed about the Tatis is they had, at least in my case, they had printer lines across every one. They were a little bit faint, but they were, every single Tatis had a printer line. So I barely sent any Tatis in. Cole Tucker. Carter Keegan, Brendan Rodgers, Austin Riley, a lot of other guys that could be okay. This doesn't seem like a bad stash. I may grab another case of this stuff. Jimenez on the rookie performers. There's just a lot of rookie potential on this. Then you get the refractors and the chrome, purple, and I think your variation is Austin Meadows. Yep, that's decent. Austin Meadows, not a rookie, but now I don't have to look through the whole pile because I caught it in the last pack. Action variation on Meadows. That'll do it, Austin. Thank you, sir. Let me know if I can get you anything else before I head card shop hopping today. I updated that in the store. Did you get it? You did, right? I changed the price for you. Yeah, okay, I got it. Okay, sounds good. I'll be around later because I'm going to try to get those breaks filled up, and I don't have Braden tonight, so I'm going to try to do that after I go see if I can find some good buys at the stores. Thanks, guys.